Hey, what's up, Dividend Nomads? Welcome back to the channel. Yesterday, on my other channel, I made a video about how I'm planning to leave China soon by July or August 2026. And so I've decided I'm going to use my small portfolio, my high risk, high reward portfolio, and I'm going to try to use that to generate enough income to pay for an entire year of housing before I go. So whenever I get where I'm going, I already have that money already there to just pay for a whole year of housing up front. So this could work or it could completely fail. I don't know, but that's why I'm doing it in this small portfolio, my high risk, high reward portfolio. I'm not going to attempt something like this with my main portfolio. So this is all just kind of for fun and games, I guess. But this is kind of like a side challenge because the main challenge of the portfolio is to generate $1,000 a month in income, which could take a long time because I'm only putting like $300 a month or so into the portfolio. But anyway, today I'm going to dive into the portfolio, share with you guys what I have and how I plan on actually executing this challenge. And we'll see between now and August if it pans out. So first of all, let me dive into the screen of my phone, show you what I have in the portfolio and share with you how I plan to do this. So let me do that really quick. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right. This portfolio is in Webull, and I'll refresh it for you guys. This is Sunday at 8:30 in the morning here in China. You can see my value right now. It's $5,912, and I have $1,077 in cash. Now I do have 3 positions here. AMDW. My cost is $51.50, only 10 shares. And then here I have HOOW, 60 shares at $56.01. And POTW, I have 25 shares at $41.64. So actually right now, currently, this apartment I'm living in, I've given you guys a tour before actually here on this channel, but I pay about $200 a month. So I'm guessing where I move, it's probably going to be similar, $200 or $300 a month, which is roughly $2,400 to $3,600 per year to keep a roof over my head. And so I'm planning to generate that much money in income in this small, tiny portfolio before August. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you this real quick. I'm going to keep depositing my $300 per month and putting that money into these high yield income funds. And the dividends that I receive, you can see here we have SGov. SGov basically doesn't change. It's about $100 all the time. It fluctuates slightly, but I'm going to be putting all the distributions into SGov and just let the money stay there and get stored up there. SGov does pay a small dividend, 0.4%. So yeah, it doesn't really pay much, but anyway, this is just a good place to store cash and keep track of it without it interfering with the rest of the portfolio. So I'm going to be putting the distributions there to track and monitor how much money I actually have saved towards my goal. And like I said, all my deposits every month will go to these high yield ETFs, and all the distributions will go to SGov, and we'll just track the money that way and see if we can build up enough to pay for a whole year's worth of housing by the time July or August rolls around. So that's the plan there. Really quickly, I'll dive into the computer and share with you what the portfolio looks like right now in terms of the performance. So let me record the screen on my computer. Let's see, 3, 2, 1, bam. Okay, here we are. Let me make it bigger for you really quick. 150, there we go. So there's the 3 positions I just shared with you. HOW, POTW, AMDW. So that's 60 shares, 25 and 10. There's my cost averages, 56.01, 41.64, and 51.51. As far as the performance goes right now, you can see HOW is slightly down 1.2%. POTW, we're up 9.48% on the total return. And AMDW is up 0.75. Actually, the market return is positive now too. I just saw that on my phone, but it's not very much. It's just a slight amount. I'll check it really quick. It's my cost is 51.51, and it says I'm up $14 on market return. So the minus 0.30 is not correct, but it'll adjust itself tomorrow when the market opens. But yeah, that's all I have right now with this $1,000 in cash. I'm going to go ahead and deploy into these, and we're going to see where this takes us. Actually, I could put that no, we'll just put it into these. But yeah, we're going to get started on this challenge here. Really quick, the dividend log for December, 55.33 so far, 37 and 4, which is what, $158 so far for the month. And if you look at the calendar, these pay on Tuesday, so we're going to get 6 more payments before this month is over to add to this. So should definitely be over a $200 a month here, which is more than enough to pay for this house for this month. But I'm trying to generate the whole year, so we're going to start stacking these up and see where it leads to. So anyway, let me know in the comments what you guys think below about this challenge. And if you haven't seen my video about leaving, I'll put it at the end of this video. You can go check it out if you want, and subscribe to the channel while you're over there if you haven't yet. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Y'all take care.